Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we will be looking at the sheep view and edit history function. If you begin by right clicking on any animal and selecting the view and edit history option, this will take you to the event history for that animal. By then clicking on the small pencil to the right hand side, this will then allow you to view and edit the details for that animal. If you then choose the Identification tab at the top, you will see you are taken to a new screen where the animal you are viewing is then highlighted, eliminating the need for you to search for the animal. Hopefully, some of the things you have watched will help you maximise your use of the programme. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.